Okay, we dey talk about the female genital mutilation, and First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria say e gas stop. They need to stop am now because this no be the right thing to do at all. You no go fit at the side for a human where God don't create the way where he create them. That's you now coming to, rearrange the system. All right, because to you, the female child go there for street if they know curtail am, if they know, put some kind of, to bridge them, and then they do am to feel help am for marriage. Meanwhile, in that marriage, she not even there inside the marriage anymore. Because how you go stay with person where be say, they feel anything. You don't get any feelings. So how you want to take there for the marriage? Who you want to the marriage with? Who? Really? I get so many messages, very sensitive ones at that. Some people say, Church, I'm crying because it happened to me. God will bless the First Lady. Please, they should fight. They should fight to stop all these things because it is not right. You won't understand what she's saying. I'm affected too, Church. No child, no feelings. I can stay without sex for years. Church, thank you for fighting for women like this. These are the things you talk about when you stand up for women. Where are the men? Let them call now to free themselves from this kind of mentality, because Church, I feel like a lot of men believe in this practice. Good afternoon. This is an eye-opener. I'm married, but it's affecting me. I married as a virgin. And at the age of 33, I have 2 children. But to tell you the truth, no feeling. I don't feel anything. I just do it because your husband wants it. Can you imagine? I will stay for months. I'm not even interested. You're from Agbo. The thing nearly paralyzed me as a child, Church. Somebody say, I am crying because I like how you bring sensitive issues up like this. Some people are scared to discuss it, but thank you that the First Lady is making an impression and making us understand that this is evil. Church, how do you cut the girl child? Or because you're trying to make her not to be promiscuous? Are you God that created her? You can't talk some words where I no go feel read on the radio. I'm sorry. Somebody said, don't call my name. Church, I left my marriage last year because of this matter. My husband know they understand. In the talk say, now something where they good. And then when I give back to my daughter, I said they go do am to my daughter. I run with my daughter. And today, my daughter is 5 years old. I ran away from the marriage last year. And as I heard your voice and things the First Lady said, I am so empowered to even protect other people. Thank you, Church, for Women's Corner. Oh, okay. Thank you, too. This nearly paralyzed me as a child. My mom said it was done to me when I was 8 months old, and it nearly paralyzed me. It was by God's grace that I was able to remain anonymous on this show, Church. Of course, you are. Thank you for bringing sensitive issue. I love you when you stand up for women. I think that's a lifestyle that I live, yeah. Okay, guys, we get loads and loads of messages here. We also get more calls.
I tell my mom, say, who circumcise me, God go punish. Sorry to use that.
IJ, make I hear from you. So are you married now, IJ?
I'm not married. The thing is affecting me. I don't move. I'm like wood. You know when they say wood, like, I don't move. I'm like rock. Sometimes I cry about it. I say, what is wrong with me? I can't move. I don't know. Really, sometimes I do cry about it. Even person when I'm there, it be like saying I rape, for instance. He go be like saying they rape me.
Yeah, because they get the feeling, right? They feel them.
Yes, I doesn't have anything, nothing in me. It pains me a lot. I told my mom if I come Nigeria, right from my childhood, I'm supposed to even enter sister. If to say I know, I'm supposed to enter my join sisters wood or this reverend sister, because sometimes I regret why I not even join reverend sister of 18 when I get younger, because this one I even mean as my age now nothing. But my way go nearly marry you now, even person meet and they not say now still marry play because. I don't know. Not that is my fault. I don't know.
But
it's just like me.
But your partner know. Say you go through this. You get this female genital mutilation process.
Yes, in Nigeria. Even sometimes he said they complain. Yeah, I'm not saying even the relationship with them for how many years. Nothing don't even is up to her. Like say marry me. I know say all my relationship now this thing be my problem. But I can't. I don't know. I can't. This is not a spiritual something. This is it. I doesn't feel anything like this now. I don't know. I can stay even 10 years. What? I don't even feel. I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even. It doesn't concern me if a man goes border with a woman or nothing. It's not my problem.
Wow. I just thank you so much.
Even my own, they overcut my own. That person is wicked when I get childhood. They overcut because even if you even go, it doesn't just to make you rest. My own is if a man should do, let him rest so that I can breathe. I don't feel anything.
But this not be something where person go need to be shameful about. The deed has been done, and we must condemn and we must say no. It must not happen again to the younger generation.
And they thought they are doing good. Even my sisters, all my sisters, the same thing. They just even my own is even worse. At my age now, no child, no marriage, because some men will not take it.
Yes.
Some men will not take it. A lot of men will not take it, not even some, a lot. How can you be at home, be like you are staying with a wood, like you are staying with a rock? Nothing. It doesn't move. It doesn't shake. Even if you let me say, can they come around? I'm gonna fear. I will be scared.
I'm sorry. Thank
you.
I'm really
no,
sorry.
Because when you told this thing, the thing say, even me, I know. It touches me sometimes. If I say, who do me this thing? I call myself all sorts of name. Sometimes I say, what is wrong with me? And I look, thank you very much.
No, they call yourself names. It not be your fault at all. It not be your fault. Now people will do them. It be their own fault, not yours, darling. Please.
If it would have been possible, if it's her brother, that woman that did that thing to me, I would have tell my mom to show me that woman, because it's traditional. It's all those traditions, something,
yes,
all those.
Yes.
In my place, there is what they call it. All these women that do child. I don't know how they call it. We call it Okanwa. People that are from Agbo, because I'm from Agbo. Okanwa, that is what they call. I would have arrested that woman if he's still alive, even if he's 80 years old. You have to undo this thing that he did to me. Oh.
No, many of us will be parents, and our fathers they do them. We don't know. We do it out of ignorance. We thought that maybe according to them, they say any woman where they know circumcise, you go enter road, you go they feel them every time. We don't know. Out of primitive way, I won't tell you lie. May our daughters, may they forgive us. Myself will be man, will be papa. We do it to my daughter. We don't know. So it's not that all this is now coming up. I beg, may they forgive us. So we don't know. May they stop them. Our children, they should stop it. My daughter, I won't tell you lie. I feel them, and they feel them as I day, they cry. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
So like that lady crying, I pity her. It's almost the many of our children, our daughters in Nigeria. Many of us do them. They don't go say they know they do them. No man will not do them. Now very few. So may they forgive us. So I beg.
The very first day I heard about this thing, they said anybody that do this thing will be arrested. I was so excited. Me, I don't do it to my daughter. I have one daughter. No do it. Because that thing no good. But now they have another way of doing it. Not by using sharp objects.
Okay.
They have people that are listening knows what I'm saying. By that hot water and whatever, they have the way of doing it. Now,
when they beat the child, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So if I may suggest, let them put some people in places like General Hospital. Any female child will come for antenatal whatever, check up or whatever. Let them go to that side and check. The moment they notice that either they use by the use of the other one or this one, when they arrest the mother. Because not to talk about to implement and be problem. That's where I have.
Because the mother supposed to protect that child, knowing what this thing go do to her.
Yes. They go tell them now, no, they use object to do and do it. So they use leaves. Go and put them for fire.
Yeah. I hear.
So madam, measures have to put in place to checkmate all these things. It's a very wicked something now.
Yes, this topic we are discussing today is very sensitive and very important in the society now. You know, as most people have said, even me, my wife was circumcised. And she's also having the same, that is, non-desiring attitude. And I find out, and I told her, this is the problem that you have.
Oh, she
But
be not know. She be not know.
but she didn't believe me that it was the reason why she's putting resistance most of the time. So I told her that she knew that she was circumcised,
All
but that feeling got so low that sometimes it affects both of us. So I have to sit her down and talk to her and let her understand that this is the reason, but you need to change and adapt to a more acceptable feelings and relations. I thank God that today she's even more fired than me.
Okay.
So apart from that, in the Western world here, it is a very big offense. Anybody that circumcised his baby here and government find out, you will go to jail.
Yes,
and they will take the baby.
I know.
They will take the baby. It's only the male that is permitted by permission. If you want, if you don't want, it's not by.
So some religion don't allow that too. So
yeah, but here the males are circumcised because all my boys they were all circumcised here. But women, you don't dare to touch them.
Thank you
so much. It's a big mistake from our mothers, our great grandmothers, in the sense that when they do it, the girl child will not be, running after men and all those things. So it's a very something that is is a very good idea that people of this new generation should take note of. That nobody should make that mistake again, because it will affect them during the marriage.
Hi, Church. That's very bad practice. Do you know that the number of girls where they die during that process and the ones that get infected? This is just a wicked practice, cutting someone's enjoyment due to wicked tradition. Some of our mothers don't even know what is crossing border or getting to the peak of satisfaction during crossing border. The person or people will cut my own use sharp cutlass. I swear, Church. Nothing is remaining there. Everything just flat. I don't feel anything, Church. I just pretend to have urges and be in the mood for my partner to believe me. Church, I am a rock. I don't know how I go cope with it for the rest of my life. Chris from my papa, I have a daughter, verse of knowledge. I made sure she was not caught. That's her sensitivity, for crying out loud. I'm in support with the first lady. Thank you. A great father you are. Church, I hope your mom did not. No, I'm not. If I'm circumcised, I go down the front. I go down carry placard the front. I know. They know they my grandma never believed in it. My mom never believed in it. My grandma from my father's side never also believed in it. I think she was circumcised. So she never believed in that process. So she made sure that all her grandchildren no go through that kind of thing. Yeah, so my family happens to be one of the lucky family, because from here to here, they no believe in that kind of movement. If I was circumcised, hey, I would not join society of circumcised people. No worry, going to see before even TV, not before only radio. Practice has robbed so many families of the essence in this regard. I'm a victim, Church. It's perpetually painful. Wow. God, though, so this has been my problem. I never knew. Chiche, do you know that for years I have been living with my husband, sleeping in the same bed with him, yet no feelings? Sometimes I'll be like thinking and asking myself what is wrong with me. I thank God for blessing me with children. My marriage will be 30 years by end of this year, yet I can't count how many times I crossed border with my husband. Thank you for the topic. Traditional views of marriage. Women we are often seen as supporters of their husband and primary responsible, but you cannot support evil. I use myself an example. I tell you, you can't, even till now. Whether the school where the children go up until the things, the how some morals where they teach the children too. Yes, now values, family values, everything is being dialogued now. Happy, you go to teach what skin they go, I go to teach what skin they go. No, now that's why I continue to tell Ona. When Ona tell me say, the woman is not supposed to tell the husband, and I ask you, if you they do wrong, who go call you to order? That's why we are getting it wrong. Because you believe it's only you that will make the decision that help that family work. But you don't even have the best decision to make. And you don't want to accept. Your ego not let you accept, say, no, be only me go run this thing. The worst thing you can find a man when they listen to his wife. You are headed to where you don't know. Because spiritually, she's very, very... Oh, let me not go into that matter. Please, let me not go into that matter. Let's leave it. If you are wise, you know what I'm talking about.
God go bless you.
We thank God. We thank God.
See matter where you carry come very... Okay. Now my grandmother, now he tell me, say, make her not try.
Oh.
Now he tell me, say, make her not try. If anytime I don't get pikin, make her not try that thing. I say, why? He said, because it's not good. Now what did she just tell me be that? He said, it's not good. Now I say, okay. And really, I know, because they do it to me. They do it to all of us, for ourselves. We know cause wahala for us. So that's then. Now when we don't grow,
yes,
our men, they suffer for our hands.
Yes, yes.
Then they suffer.
Exactly.
How guys, they come, they show. Because all the things, they don't take place, scrape all of them.
Some people partially, some people fully.
The one elderly woman, she's about almost 70. And they tell me, say her own. She was 7 months pregnant when they do it for her.
7 months pregnant.
Some tradition, when you get your first belly, then we do it. Some tradition, especially for all those better people. He said she was 7 months pregnant when they do her own. He said the next day, she bleeding. He said, now God, now he said she could be alive. It's not good. I thank God say they cancel. May they not try and bring her and come back, because it's no good. It's no good at all. They cause infertility for some women. It cause infertility for
the infection. Self, they know they survive.
Yeah, the infection. Now they talk that one. I beg, may they help us for sure. Thank God say, they make everybody they hear her, because me don't. My grandma don't tell me, so me not do one, and I can't see the reason why she say make her not do one. So God go bless you, my darling. God will continue to strengthen you with more wisdom.
Thank you, Mama.
I love you, you know?
I love you too. Hi, Cheche. I did this to my daughter ignorantly because my nurse been telling me to press it down with hot water. I never knew that was mutilation. Yes, because when they no longer they cut, everybody go catch them. Everybody, they look. Anybody will trying, if you report you. And we get different organizations where also they look out for people where they do them. So they are not using hot water. So be warned. Whether it be male or female, stand your ground. Checha, no say hot water. Follow for the thing. Should you hear them now? Should you hear them? Okay, Abednego, I believe my own check my page on Instagram, you will see it. So many women dying in silence. God help us and open our eyes to reality. Thank you for talking about it on the radio, and God bless you and keep you, Cheche, and Patience. Hi, Patience. Cheche, I dey here for US, so I don't enter 3 relationship, come out, enter 1 marriage, come out, all because of female genital mutilation. God will bless you for even talking about it. The First Lady of Nigeria, thank you for what you are also doing. This thing, they hold people down. I don't know how people go decide, say, na them go recreate waiting God don't create. It is evil. God bless you for the talk, people. My mom didn't allow that for me when I was much younger. I used to be shy away from other circumcised girls, thinking that my body is different. But as I grow older, I realized that I'm better and blessed. I have 2 girls and I didn't circumcise them. I love you, Church, and Nene, I love you too. Thank you for this education where you give me for no get them anywhere for free. I appreciate you. I am pregnant, and when my husband come back now, we'll have a conversation about this because my child must not be touched. Have a peaceful conversation. Explain to him, okay? Please, this is not just the mother is good or women that gave birth around backward then. Yes. I'm talking about women now. When no, you didn't listen. I'm talking about women now where they go through the bad side of it, where they go through not having feelings, not getting to the peak of satisfaction. They know say this thing are waiting keep them. They still go ahead to do it to their daughter. Now those women where will say you are being wicked because you know the bad side where they go through. You know, I'm not talking about people where our great grandmothers, they didn't know better. They did what they were advised to do. So nobody is holding them, say, oh, because they are being evil, whatever. It's even the people who support them, kuku no even know what they do. The whole community don't know what they practice. They don't know the side effect of the bad side of these things. Medically, no, they linked anywhere. So you end up damaging the girl child. Yes, now what you they do be that. A lot of people don't get into depression. Some don't commit suicide. Some don't kill us. A lot of people, they run away from marriage. They don't feel whole relationship. All because you decide, say, we need to cut out partially or fully part of their genital to make them not today wayward. We're trying to let you know, say you they practice the wrong thing. The First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria don't talk, so they don't join body with plenty organization to fight them. So if you see them, say something, report them, no matter where you dey. If you try them for other part of the world, you go there for jail. The children, they go collect them from your hand because they say that you are not capable to take care of kids. It is that simple. This conversation is still ongoing and we'll never leave it alone. We'll continue to talk about them because some of them now, where be fathers, where they say they're not going to challenge what you talk in your head. You feel like this is the way to control your child and your wife must not challenge and your wife, they tell you, say, no, this is not nice. You say, no, we must do it. So maybe you need to leave, make the agencies or the organization where they're in charge. And when I tell you that a mother will still go ahead to listen to her husband to do evil to the child. I ask you, if your husband said throw the child inside gutter, you go throw the child inside gutter. You will not. So why choose the marriage and damage the child? Because when the child grow up, you go explain these things to her. Say your father spoke, I could not challenge it.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.